ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। हरि ओम। 7th chapter. Last class we saw ekkarmak dhatu, dvikarmak dhatu and akarmak dhatu. These are the three types of verbs. Ekkarmak dhatu means only one karma is possible. Dvikarmak dhatu means two karmas possible and ek karma also is used. Akarmak dhatu, no karma possible, like hasati, I laugh, I sit, there is no karma possible. Okay, and then we saw the list of this dvikarmaka dhatu. Just I will repeat it. Duha dogdhi. Duha dogdhi means to milk. Yacha yachate. You will say, sir, dogdhi form. We saw gachati, agachati, dogdhi. It means it is a different ganas, like third gana, irregular forms. Yachate is pratham gana only, but atmane pad. In the beginning, I told you parasmay pad, atmane pad, yachate. Wherever te is at the end, it is atmane pada dhatu. Atmane pada means 11, 12 chapter it will come. But parasmay pada, atmane pada, these are the two main classification. First classification. Pachati, to cook. Dandayati, to punish. Runadhi, this is also from different gana, 7th something. Prachapruchati, different. Chi chinoti, karashati means to plow or to pull. Khichna, chinoti, chunna. Braviti, to tell. Shasa shaste, to govern. Ji jayati, to win. Matha matnati, to churn. Musha mushnati, to steal. Ni nayati, to carry. Ru harati, to take away. And vaha vahati, to carry. Okay, to take along with ni nayati. Vaha vahati means like carrying on ourselves. So next class, today will not complete 7th chapter, though we have entered. What should I say? Some one sentence you can make out of these dhatus. Small homework, small in the sense big, but you can make one sentence. So now some akaranta shabda we'll see, because mala, rama, ramam, ramaya, ramayai, ramayaha, ramayaha, ramayam. 7 vibhakti we saw. And he rame, he site, sita, sitam, sitaya, sitayai, sitayaha, sitayaha, sitayam, he site. Okay, what I'm talking, understand it. Okay, 7 vibhaktis, ekvachan. See, we haven't seen yet dvivachan and bahuvachan, because let us study little bit but understand and remember everything. That is the point. Okay, shabdaha. So first,
5th and 6th are the same. Sorry, 5th and 6th are the same.
Yes, 5th and 6th is same.
Ramayaha is the same.
Ramayaha, same.
Same. Okay.
Tritiya vibhakti, underline that word. It is ramaya. It is not ramaya.
Ramaya.
Tritiya vibhakti you underline, because there everybody will make it. Ramaya. Okay, shabdaha. So all are akaranta shabda. First is aja. Aja. Aja means goat. Aja means what? Goat. So aja, ajam, ajaya, ajayai, ajayaha, ajayaha, Ajayam Ajay, like that. Aja means goat. Next.
These are Akaranta Napunsakalinga.
No, Napunsakalinga always ma comes. Here no ma, no visarga. And see how I am declining, like Rama I am declining, means it is a Strilinga.
Sorry. Yeah.
No visarga, no makara, Strilinga. Aja. Next is Vasudha. You know what that sir was teaching? I will tell you in one, means not full. Vasudha. Vasudha. Vasudha means the earth, whole earth. So there is well-known proverb or a slogan, Vasudha Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Right? See what he was teaching, I will tell you. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva. Now, if you decline Vasudha Shabda, there is no Vasudhai Vibhakti. Vasudha, Vasudham, Vasudhaya. You won't find Vasudhai. Now you have to remember that Sandhi. He said Vruddhi Sandhi. If A or A, they are followed by A, then that will become I. This was the Sandhi. We are going to see in detail, but just example what he was teaching. I. Now you can say, if you see this word, we are going to practice the both way. I will give word, you have to split it. I will give split words, we have to equate them. Both way we are going to practice thoroughly. Okay, Vasudha, because you know Vasudha is the Vibhakti, like Rama. Vasudha Eva. Now Eva Shabda also you know. Kutumbakam. When you equate all these three, it becomes Vasudhaiva. Because A and A, if they follow A, that will change into I. So Vasudha Eva. Eva means alone. Whole earth alone is my family. Not my family is my world. Two different sentences. Whole earth is my family. Whole world is my family. And our thinking is, my family is my world. This is Rishi's thinking. Okay, so Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudha means earth. For that, so much I told. Vasudhaiva. Next, Sudha. There are many people, their name is Sudhakar. Sudhakar means what? Sudha means Amrut. Sudha means what? Amrut. Sudha means Amrut. And Sudhakar means Sudham Karoti, like one who gives nectar. And who gives that? It is Chandra. You know, Chandra, the rays of that moon is like a nectar, because they fills the juices in our vegetables. You know, taste in our vegetable is filled by moon. Okay. Juices in our vegetables are filled by moon. That is why they are called Sudhakar. Because the taste in all vegetable is like a Amrut. Sudha means Amrut, nectar. Who says this? Like juices in our vegetable is filled by moon? Lord Krishna in 15th chapter. Pushnami chaushadhi sarvaha somo bhutva rasatmakaha. Somaha bhutva rasatmakaha. This is told there. Nectar. Okay. I will not explain much. Next is Jata. Jata means matted lock hair. Okay. Locked hair. Jata. So Jata, Jatam, Jataya, Jatabhihi, like that. Jata, Jatayai, Jatayaha, Jatayaha. All 7 vibhaktis. At least when I say that time, you should remember. Kshama. Kshama. Kshama means to forgive. My God. Kshama means to forgive. Like we apologize. Forgive me. Forgiveness. Right? To forgive, it is not a verb, so we can't say to forgive. Yeah. So 5 words only. Akaranta strilinga. Aja, goat. Vasudha, earth. Sudha, nectar. Jata, matted lock, hair. Jata, bal. Kshama, forgiveness. I forgive you. Forgive. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So, if I want to say I see Jata, how will I say? I see Jata.
aham.
हाँ, aham.
Jata pashyami.
Jata, how will Jata? Prathama vibhakti no. Jata is object
Jatam.
for me. Jatam.
Jatam.
Jatam. If I want to say I am seeing the Jata of Shiva.
Aham Shivam Jatam.
Shivam Jatam. You see now Jata and Shiva, they have sambandha.
Oh, okay. Shiva.
Of. Whenever I say of,
Shivasya.
yes. Aham of came means you have to use 6th case. This you remember. In on came. No, Shiva Shabdasya Shashti you should know now. Because Rama Shabda Shashti you know, so Shiva Shabda Shashti Shivasya. In that direction we haven't practiced, but we should catch that now. Off came means 6th Shashti. From came 5th case. In on 7th case. With came this 3rd case. Like that. Aham Shivasya Jatam Pashyami. Okay, fine. Okay. These are all our akaranta. I want to say okay, Shiva. शिव अपराधी को क्षमा करते हैं. इजी सेंटेंस है. शिव अपराधी को क्षमा करते हैं या फिर अपराध को. अपराध. लॉर्ड शिवा फॉरगिव्स कल्प्रिट्स. अपराधी और अपराध. इजी सेंटेंस है. करते हैं. नाउ यू हैव टू यूज करोति लाइक दैट. क्रू धातु. हाँ. लॉर्ड शिव अपराध क्षमा करते हैं. शिव अपराध इज दी वर्ड. हाँ.
अपराधम.
अपराधम. वेरी गुड. क्षमां करोति.
क्षमा करोति.
हाँ. क्षमां. अपराधम क्षमाम लाइक ध्यानम करोति लाइक दैट. चलो नेक्स्ट इज पुल्लिंग शब्द. हाँ. क्षमाम करोति, ध्यानम करोमि, ध्यानम करोति लाइक दैट. पुल्लिंग शब्द आई एम राइटिंग सेपरेटली. सो तंडुलः. तंडुला मीन्स व्हाट? raw rice. Odanam means the cooked rice. Okay. Tandulah. Like if I want to say I am cooking rice, what will you say?
Tandulam pashyati pachati.
No.
Pachami.
But you don't cook one grain of tandula. So many. Aham. How will you say?
Tandulani.
How Tandulani? Because this is Pullinga.
Okay.
Netram, netrani, vanam, vanani, Strilinga. Come on, you are on the right path.
Tandulaha.
Nahi. You remember Rama Shabda only. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. See, I have given only singular, dual, plural, only 2 vibhaktis. If 7 comes, what will happen? That is why I did not give you. I know, means how much you can understand. नहीं, रामः रामम, रामौ रामान, तंडुलम तंडुलौ, अहम तंडुलान पचामी, तंडुलान, many are there. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. हाँ, दुग्धम, दुग्धम means milk. Today's main part is भविष्य काल.
दुग्धम पिबामी आएगा सर?
Yes, aham dugdham pibami.
Pibami.
Aham dugdham pibami.
If you want to say milk with sugar, sir?
With came means third case. Okay, milk with came means third case. Aham dugdhena. Dugdham is napunsak but after tritiya vibhakti all are same. Pullinga napunsak linga. So ramena दुग्धेन, अहम दुग्धेन सह शर्कराम खादामी और शर्कराम पिबामी. But खादामी will say because at the end शर्करा is there. Okay, अहम दुग्धेन सह शर्कराम खादामी, दूध के साथ शक्कर खाता हूँ. If you want to say the other way, अहम शर्करया माला मालया शर्करा शर्करया सह दुग्धम पिबामी. Getting it? With came means third case. Okay. Shatam. Shatam means 100. Shatam means 100. 100. Tandula. See, the moment you see any word 7 vibhakti, you have to try now. You can't say, sir, is this tritiya? No, because very the least we have, holding on to. So that there we cannot cut short anything. So very least, like Rama Shabda, first 2 vibhakti full and then 7 vibhaktis. Rama Shabda, first 2 vibhakti full and then Rama Shabda 7 vibhaktis. This much we are remembering. Dhatu, if you forget, doesn't matter because somehow you can figure out dhatu. You cannot figure out the shabda, dugdham and all. So we have to remember that. Pullinga, napunsaklinga, both are there. Okay. They have not given much. They understood we are forgetting Rama Shabda. So napunsaklinga, punsak. So these 3 things. So aja and all napunsaklinga. Now, some shabdas we'll see, some dhatus. Okay, going really good. Okay.
For Shatam, what is the sentence? We say
Shatam. Ha, aham ramat shatam swikaromi. I am taking 100 rupees from Rama. Shatam
rupees is what? Rupees.
We say rupyakani. Rupyakani we say. Rupyakam, rupyake, rupyakani. Shatam, if you say 100. Shatam rupyakani swikaromi. Aham shatam rupyakani pashyami. Shatam rupyakani.
Shatam namavali.
हाँ, गायामि, गायामि, स्मरामि. शतम. कृष्णस्य शतम नामानि, नाम्नि, नामानि स्मरामि. अहम कृष्णस्य शतम नामानि स्मरामि. Can be possible. Okay. Now, easy verb. Some of them we have seen. And some of them we'll see now. The next half will be our yes. So first is Brahmati. Brahma, Brahmati. Dhatus. Now many dhatus. Last class also we saw. If you make one sentence of each dhatu, you will remember them. Yeah. whatever we learned, little bit we have to practice. Before class you practice, after class you practice, but you practice it. Otherwise, we see Sanskrit is something different. You study whatever on first day. If you forget that, it's of no use, going ahead. Everything you required when you make one sentence. This is difficult part here. Brahmati, Brahma, Brahmati. So Brahmati means wander, ghumna. Like Brahmati, Bhagwan, Arjuna says to Krishna, Brahmati vachame manaha. In first chapter he says, Nimittani cha pashyami, viparitani cha keshava. Brahmati vachame manaha. This is his word. Brahmati means deluded or you are wandering. Brahmati. Ghumna. To wander also. Wander. To roam around also. To roam. Okay. So it is used in like my mind is also spinning or wandering. Brahmati. Arjuna uses this in first chapter. Brahmati Vepatuscha sharire me Roma harshascha jayate Gandivam samsrate hastat Tvakchaiva paridahyate. 1 minute. मैं बता देता हूँ where it comes in first chapter. भ्रमति वच मे मनः. Says yes, shloka number 30, first chapter. न च शक्नोम्य व्यवस्थातुं भ्रमति वच मे मनः. भ्रमति मे मनः. My mind is spinning, Bhagwan. You help me. Brahmati. There is the source. Next is ruha rohati. So these are not dvikarmak dhatu but rohati. We know aroha, avaroha. Rohati means chadna, like to mount, and or ugna, to mount. Like I'm mounting on a chariot. Arjuna mounts on a chariot. Arjunaha ratham arohati. So A is the upasarga used in many places. Rohati. So when we say aroha, aurava in music, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. This is aurava, means you are going in ascending direction, going up. Yes. And the another meaning is to sprout also. Ugna. Not used in many, but rohati means actually this, to sprout. Sprout. Ruha. And avaroha means you come down. Like that. Okay. All see, this book will help you to understand Gita more and more, because whatever dhatu they came in Gita, 80% they have taken those dhatu and put there here. So Brahmati, like that, many dhatu, those who came in Gita, all dhatus they have taken, almost. Tyaja. Next is Tyaja. Tyaja and Tyajati. Tyajati. Tyajati means to drop. To drop. Tyajati. To drop, to give up, to forsake, to give up.
Like त्याग करना, त्याग.
Yes, त्याग करना. See, Hindi they have given there. I am not writing Hindi also. त्याग करना. Aham chayam tyajami. Which is never possible for many people.
I am not tyajami.
Aham chayam na tyajami, na tyakshami. Today tyakshami will come. What is tyakshami? I will not give up. I don't give up. Na tyajami. I will Tyakshami. We'll see that today. How to say, because now lut is ready, lot we have seen, and today is lut. Lut we are means bhavishyakal. Now our talking will grow more. Next is vasavasati. This we know. To reside or to live also. Vasavasati. Vasavasati. Aham Boisar Nagare Vasami. Bhavan Kutra Vasati. Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. Vasati. Krishna Kutra Vasati. Krishna Vrindavane Vasati. Ramah Kutra Vasati. I can't say Ayodhya because Ayodhya is Akaranta Shabda. I will say Ramah Ayodhyayam. Rama Ramayam in 7th case. Remember this small things. Vasati, Vasavasati. Next is Ni Nayati. One sentence you have to make, then you will understand this dhatu and remember also. Ni Nayati means to take along, to carry along with. Like Balakah Ajam Nayati. Balak, like boy, carries a boy takes a goat along with him.
Sishyah pustakam.
Yeah, Shishyah pustakam nayati. Shishyah upadhyayasya pustakam nayati. Book of teacher. Teacher upadhyaya of Shashti. Upadhyaya upadhyayasya. Why? Ramah Ramasya upadhyaya upadhyayasya. This how we have to connect all points. Try. Ruharati. Ruharati. Write down along with me also because I am writing and explaining also. Ruharati. Krishna Chittam Harati. Krishna Chittam Harati. Chorah Dhanam Harati.
Snacks.
Bal Gopalaha Navanitam Haranti. Tvam Kim Harasi. Like that. Harati. Harati means to take away, to kidnap, something like that, to take away. Like to steal also. Harati, we can say. But this stealing is different. Like Krishna Navanitam Chorayati. Krishna Navanitam Chorayati Harati. To steal. Churana, but here le jana. Harati, to take away. Okay, Brahmati, Rohati, Tyajati, Vasati, Nayati, Harati. Many are there. Krusha Karshati. Some of them we saw here. Here we have seen some of them. See Nayati Vagara. So we'll go a little bit fast. Krusha Karshati means to plow. Krushakah Bhumim Karshati. Krushakah Bhumim Karshati. Karshati, to plow. See, again, this is good repetition. Plow. Bhumim Karshati. Krishna Antakaranam Karshati. Yes. If you want to make any sentence, better you can tell also quickly if you can tell. Otherwise, write and send it to me. Anyway, in chapter they will come, but repetition is required because we are not going to see 6th chapter now again. Once we saw, it is in now subconscious mind. Whatever impressions are there, like that impressions will make. Yeah, and to pull also. To pull. Balakah Pitaram Karshati. Like boy, he pulls his father. with love. Pulls, actually pulls. Okay. Vah vahati means to carry. Vah vahati. Gardabah bharam vahati, like a donkey. He carries, he weighs a weight. Carry. Vahati. Dhona is also given. Dhona, anybody knows Dhona? Agrawal ji must be knowing. Dhona matlab kya, Agrawal
जी
Dhona. In that book
धोना
there is Dho. I will write down.
हाँ दोहना
No, Dhona.
अच्छा ढोना ढोना हाँ ढोना
Means what?
ढोना means that सामान उठाना अच्छा वजन उठाना
Okay. Vajan uthana only. Okay. Dhona
ढोना
means
means
vajan
आपने
uthana.
सामान उठाना ढोना
Okay. Dhona.
सामान ढो रहे हैं हम
अच्छा. Okay. The proper Hindi word. Saman dhona. Okay. Vastuni. Okay.
What is it, sir? Lifting weight?
Dhona means like carrying something only.
Lifting
Yeah,
weight
yeah.
or something.
Lifting, yeah.
lifting सा weight
हाँ.
ढोना
You write down dhona. This computer is not allowing dhona. Yes. Okay, dhona. Next is, which we have seen, we are not going to see more. Okay. So Brahmati. हाँ बोलो.
घर में जैसे होता है ना वो अच्छे पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स
हाँ.
पैकर्स एंड मूवर अच्छे सामान आपका ढो के ले जाते हैं जब
Yes.
आपका ट्रांसफर होता है तो सामान
हाँ.
ढो के ले जाते हैं तो वहां पे बहती आ सकता है
हाँ. Yes. And Nayati अलग है. Nayati is different. Like
हाँ
Balakah pitaram dugdham nayati. Like he takes milk for his father. So Nayati. Okay, rest things are these only. Dandayachate, Dandayati, and all. Dandayati is also there. All dhatus are here, we have seen. In next half, the very important part of today's. Yeah, any doubt? Only so much writing and remembering. But see, if you don't remember also, when word comes, that meaning will come in your mind. That is true. Because twice we are listening and once we are writing. Nayati.
What is the link of all these? Is there any classification, the link wise?
No, for words it is gender is there. For nouns, for verb there is no gender. And for any gender, noun is for any noun, verb is same. Like Ramah Brahmati, Rama Brahmati. No classification there.
Can you explain that Gana classification one more time later if you can?
Means Pratham Gana, Dvitiya Gana.
Yeah.
What classification you want? Yes, Vikaran and all. Yes.
Like you said, this Shabda is this Gana, no? So it's like.
Okay. We'll see that. Only difference is like Mool Dhatu, Vikaran, Pratyaya, and the final form. So always Vikarana they keep on changing. If Pratham Gana, Avikaran, 10th Gana, Avikaran, and some rules behind that. But we'll see that once because that is the important part.
Yeah, that's not very clear. Like when you say this is 10th Gana, this is.
Initially, you have to remember what Vikarans are there. See, that is given in like 28th chapter. After that, they will start how a Gana, this Brahma Brahmati is formed. After that, like, it is a further study, but once in a while, I will touch upon that.
Sir, if we can read some passages also on our own, then we will have better understanding, no? Instead of seeing just grammar. So you can suggest something. What?
I am telling you Gita only. See, Tyajati dhatu is there, Vasati is there, Nayati is there, all Harati is there, Karshati.
We should understand, no? Gita may be very difficult, no? No?
Nahi. Means
Something
you
like first standard, second
wait,
standard book is okay with me.
wait till 10th chapter, because after 10 chapters, many things will be clear. Now 7th we are. Many dhatus and many shabdas will be clear. Sandhi should be clear. Otherwise, Brahmati is there, but you can't see that because Sandhi we don't know. So learn few Sandhis and then go for next. I will send you today one story. You read that. You will understand it. Small stories. Let us come back. We'll meet again. Small stories I will send you. Beautiful stories. Very interesting.
So that our vocabulary will improve, no?
Yeah. But for that, all words you know first.